Come test drive the 2020 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, rear wheel drive, power sunroof, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.